I'm in charge of taking the veggies to the kitchen.
Yeah, Coop, let's show our wares.
Oh, what's Uncle Noy got?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Come on, this is for your TV show. Come on, explain what we're doing.
We are carrying eggplants, onions, carrots, tomatoes, and I don't know what the other is.
And that's cilantro, yeah. Coriander. And what are we going to do? You bet.
Where are we now, Coop?
We're going into the lady's kitchen.
Oh, wow.
There's so many colours.
We're filming it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Kubi, is this where you're going to learn to cook?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think? It's cool. Totally cool.
So the base of the tea is the green tea.
Okay, green tea.
Green tea. It's like green.
Yeah.
You can make a choice. You can see everything. And then for the herbs, we can put whatever we have. In general, in Morocco, we use more mint because it's easy to find. It's fresh all the year, but it can be anything else. I bring something different today than mint. Do you know verbena?
Yeah.
Like lemongrass.
Lemon verbena.
Lemon verbena, yes. And it tastes. It can be mint, sage, chamomile, oregano, rosemary, thyme.
I'm going to try it on my own first. If I go higher, it'll be on my lap. That was the spout, that wasn't it?
We are making A to Z and I'm in charge of the
because we have so much spices and we can find a lot of things. So peas.
How is it?
very wet.
Very wet. Okay, chef.
This is the eye-watering section.
Yeah, I know. I miss a guy. That's what I don't like.
Did I?
Can't miss a guy. Every pea counts. Yeah.
This one.
Nice.
How do you call it?
Peas.
Yeah. There we go. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
10 minutes on the fire. Cloves, black pepper, white pepper, coriander seeds, and kebaba. And I still have the
Here comes a tip for you. All Moroccan dishes have 4 spices: salt, pepper, turmeric, and ginger. Just say it.
Ooh, keeper.
Why did we have to complicate the thing?
Yeah.
Make it easy.
Yeah, it's just
Put the
it
vegetables
gives you a
on.
child flavour as well.
Exactly, this is why.
It's not even out, it's just great.
Yes.
I didn't know.
Honestly, the best pizza I ever had. They are delicious.
No?
What are you making, Noy?
Making this, a little bit more. Making these meatballs for the meatball tagine. What's it called? And it's like, we've already made like the tomato paste, which is mixed with cumin, pepper, salt, and paprika. And they pop the tomatoes, mix that in together with garlic as well, of course. And then this is just quite fatty.
That's nice and tasty.
Yeah, quite fatty minced beef. And it's ground beef actually, it's not so much minced, it feels like it's ground beef. I'm making little balls, not too big. They need to absorb the flavour.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
We just need some spoon. We need some big spoons, don't we?
What do we have, Neil?
Spoons.
We have here a lamb tagine, which is looking fantastic. Even though it's cooked in a pressure cooker, you don't have to tagine in a tagine. And then there's meatballs, small meatballs, just beef with a tomatoey base, and then eggs cracked into it at the end, and peas. It looks amazing.
Is anyone actually videoing?
What traditional Moroccan dish do you have?
Carrots. Oh,
Is this, and what have you added to this?
nothing. Guys, everything, and I say everything, is getting devoured. I've only been here sitting here for like 5 minutes. And look, they've already swapped plates.
Yeah,
A flavour punch.
a flavour punch.
Everything.
Really, really good.
Bruh.
Definitely.
Mad.
Wait, how do you think about our cooking experience? And do you think more people should come back?
I think it should be, well, I think it's pretty popular already, but it was absolutely superb. And I can't wait to do some of the cooking myself as well. And now, look, let me just walk you around here. We are going to the market with the lady to go and buy some of these extremely fresh, beautiful spices.
And what are the 4 spices they use in
The
Moroccan
4 main
food?
ones were salt, pepper, turmeric, and cumin.
Is he right, Coop?
It's salt, pepper, turmeric, and ginger.
It is.
Ginger, you're absolutely right.
Marrakesh is a great place to buy spices, which is now what we're going to do. Look at this. Cool.
Garlic. Can you find me turmeric? Ooh.
Yes. I already got it right.
Yes, please.
You get me some turmeric, Coop?
Ginger.
Ginger is the last one there. We do the same. We do spices to all that.
Okay. So we want 100, Coop.